of me. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak.
Hi everyone, so good morning, good afternoon, and this is AE Vlogs. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning back to my channel. Okay guys, so yesterday I was telling you guys that I wasn't having time for myself or taking good care of myself because of the moving whatever to my apartment. I wasn't having that time for myself, so I was like, today 1st October, I will go and do my hair. I'll go and wash my hair at the salon. But for the look of things this morning, it seems like my curtains has arrived, so I have to do the installation today, and I have to be around for the installation. Okay, I have to be around for the installation of my curtains. So and after that too, I have to cook. Okay, so it's like the time will go against me, so I decided not to go today. Tomorrow will be Sunday. Okay, so yeah. And for the picking of these curtains, there are three things that constitute for these curtains. Okay, because of the white color in the room, and my sofa is black, and also my fridge is ash, and also I added the tiles to it. The tiles also have some kind of white ashy color and everything inside, so that is why I decided to go for this type of curtain. Okay, and yeah, so without a talking, let's go into the curtain installation. Okay, yeah, so see you in the next one. So guys, my curtains just arrived. Okay, wow, it's looking beautiful. I love the material. What is that? Oh, let's leave it here. Then remove this thing so that I can face it here. The metal. These have to face inside. Now you went to your sister's place. It's too long. But when it's like that, so it's good. But it's supposed to be like in a, how do you call it? What's a skirting under? That place supposed to show. I don't know, where do you place it in? Okay. Have you done it? Oh, I love this curtain, guys. I love this curtain. Wow, it's okay. It's okay. Yes. Oh, look at the vibe I'm going for. Wow, guys. You know, I love this curtain.
High on whatever they sold me, that's the old me, yeah. 6 years later trying to find me, still trying to figure out the line piece, looking for the love inside me. sometimes. Yeah, yeah. The end. Think how we can set out on the weekend. Funny how I kinda like this life. Funny now I kinda like this life. Now I like this life. With froze, cold night in the winter, how it goes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Yeah, yeah. The end. Got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me. Hanging in the corner with a nose bleed. High on whatever they sold me. That's the old me, yeah.
So guys, I wouldn't lie to you. I won't lie to you. You know, sometimes if there is no curtains in your room, you are missing things, because curtains just take the room to another level, guys. I never ever imagined this. Like, I love these curtains, guys. I love these curtains. I would like to do. So yeah, I hope you also like this curtain. Comment down below what you think about these curtains, and let me know in the comment section down below. Okay. So now, guys, I'm hungry, so let me go and find something and cook. Then, okay. Bye.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric. Every time there's no turning back. Swear need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric. There's no turning back. Swear I ain't got a chance. Had me caught up in you since the night on the terrace. Yeah, you had me falling fast. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric. Can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric. Got double vision. I get lost in your eyes every time. Like you do, it's electric. Can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric. I'm up in my feelings. In my mind, I can't get them out. No matter how hard I try, I need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric. Oh,
8 hours later.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it.